Alright, running, definitely leaking a little bit of fuel, like that one guy said, but we're going to try to move it. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to attempt to, well, get the station wagon moving again. So if you don't know where we're at, last time we got it running and then we lost all of our footage, and you guys won't recall this because it just happened to me, but I tried again yesterday and the camera lost all the footage, and the solenoid kept clicking, and the car wouldn't crank over. And I also discovered that this nipple is held on by Bondo, so it doesn't hold air very good. So, I mean, now with everything that happened yesterday, I've decided that we're going to remove the air cleaner, partially because I just want to make sure everything's good in there and make sure nothing's leaking. There was a guy that suggested in the comments that I should do this. Well, I should at least keep an eye on it. So that's what we're gonna do. So apparently my GoPro doesn't want to work for love or money, but if this works, if not, we got an iPhone. Alrighty, well, our GoPro has finally decided, no, I don't want to anymore. So, that doesn't mean we have to decide we don't want to do it anymore. So, last time I came here, I actually lost a whole bunch of footage, so yeah, continuing the saga, we lost a bunch of footage, but basically I put some transmission fluid in it, and I tried to turn it on, and of course it didn't want to turn on, didn't even want to crank. I even trickle charged the battery, I did everything, come to discover that the solenoid's probably bad, so we'll see, but now, being that there's lots of things that could happen, because this is so old, I decided it's probably a good idea to wear safety glasses. So, yeah. So the situation is I believe the solenoid's stuck open. So as soon as you put it on the battery, it starts cranking. Check it out. Jesus. Jesus. Alright. And that's what happens. Jesus Christ. Alright, running. Definitely leaking a little bit of fuel, that one guy said. But we're gonna try to move it. This is the only chance we got. Anything other than this means we need a truck.